Indian police have arrested two innocent Kashmiri youth in Supor area of North Kashmir's Baramulla district. One youth, identified as Rizwan Mushtaq Wani, was arrested by Indian police troops and paramilitary personnel during a cordon and search operation at Shah Faisal Market in Supor town. The police arrested the other youth, Shabbir Ahmad Shah, during house raid in Tapar Patan area. The police dubbed the arrested youth as members of a militant organization to justify their arrest. Dengue virus is spreading fast as the territory has reported 903 fresh cases in the last 1 week. These fresh cases took the tally to total dengue patients reported so far to 5,908. A media report said that around 19,589 tests have been conducted so far and 5,908 have been tested positive. Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and across the world will observe the Jammu Martyrs Day tomorrow to reiterate their resolve to carry on Martyrs' mission till they achieve their inalienable right to self-determination. All arrangements have been finalized to commemorate the historic Jammu Martyrs Day on both sides of the line of control and rest of the world. Illegally detained senior APHC leader Shabbir Ahmad Shah, in a message on Jammu Martyrs Day, said that the massacre of Muslims in Jammu in 1947 was the most horrible incident of Kashmir's history that continues to haunt the Kashmiris despite the passage of 75 years. He termed the carnage as the worst example of genocide and ethnic cleansing. Political experts and analysts have said that India has stepped up its state terrorism in the territory to intimidate the Kashmiris into submission. The political experts and analysts deplore that the Kashmiris are witnessing wanton killings and other brutalities at the hands of Indian troops every day. Kashmiris are arrested and their houses are attacked on daily basis. Indian brutalities have turned Kashmir into a living hell for its residents, they said.